are going to do scratch again. Let's start it. Start. Let's start it. Start. Wait. Yeah. Let's pick up some tutorials. I will make something. This was the last one. And now I'll do animate and sprite. Where is the animate sprite? I can't. Yeah, here is animate sprite. And that was a background noise. Let's play it.
You can change costumes to animate your character. Every sprite has multiple costumes.
Okay.
This bird has two. Wings up and wings down.
It can fly.
Use the next costume block to switch costumes.
Okay. I'm taking a next costume block. Okay. Oh, you forgot me. I'm a cat. I will teach you about this. You can learn it. I played this video for you. Okay, cat. Okay. Let's go to control. Let's go a little down. Wait 1 second and repeat. Okay. Let's add the cross it 0.3. And let's add it. Okay.
If you want to show a specific costume, use the switch costume block.
Yay, he's running.
What will you create?
He's running instead of adding the repeat now. I will add the forever. Let's go to events and add the one green flag is clicked. And let's go here. Let's go and get another sprite, an animal sprite. In fact, a dinosaur. Hi, I am the Digital Bracky. Hello, Digital Bracky. Yes. So, coding. The cat already told us in the previous episode. Okay, sorry. Let's pick another sprite. Let's pick the dinosaur. Let's delete the cat. No, just kidding. He is our friend. After all, I was just removing him so we can all have a party. We'll add a bunch of dinosaurs. I'm Terry the Pteranodon. I'm Digital Terry the Pteranodon. And the message is just nothing. And I'm Digital Tricky. I'm Digital Tyranny. And we are all in the party together. Let's check it. And it will be played. Let's go here. Let's check out. Let's do it. We will go here. Switch to next costume and we will go again. It's the wait one. It's the wait one. It's the wait one. It's the wait one. 1 second. Not repeat. It shall be forever. Cross it and 0.3. Yes, it is 0.3. Let's drag it up or down. Yes. Let's separate it. Yes. When green flag is clicked, let's go to sounds. If I don't want the pop sound, I will go to. Let's add a bossa nova. Where is the bossa nova? And I will add it, and I will go to events and forever. And I will go here, and here will be E. And here is Pteranodon, and it will go oh. Switch to next costume, and I will go to the forever one. And I will pick up forever, and I'll pick up one green flag click. Then it will be a little later, so let's have a little fun. If you are into 4 minutes into the video, and it will be easy. You should like, share, and subscribe to my channel because I like everyone, every single one of you, and because I will get to cross 01.3. Okay. Hey, when green flag is cool. Tick. Let's check our dinosaur boss and Nova. Here's T-Rex. Let's check that. Let's go events. Let's go to control. Wait 1 second. Forever. Switch to next costume. And I will go. Oh. Let's go to wait 1 second. And I will do it. I will do cross it. 0.3. Okay. Only your digital bag. He doesn't have one of these. Yeah. Let's get the forever and wait 1 second. Not the 1 second. Cross it 0.3. Okay, we have a 0.3, and we will go to the next costume, and you will see a party, at the end. So don't mind a little dancing. Okay, Digital Bracky. Next costume. Okay. EA. Let's now add a background, and it will have a background. Let's go to outdoors, and I will press Jurassic. Now yay! It's a partying. Yes. Yay! Party! Yes, let's have a party. Yes. Yay! We are dancing. Yes. We are dancing. Let's go here, and I will add a bit. Hey, you want the tails? What are you doing to my costume? Nothing. I'm just making it a little fun. Yay! I like purple. Thank you. And bye. And these videos are for you and me and everyone in this world. Bye and zoom out. And in these videos, you can learn how to animate and make your own stories. Yay! And